So mga katropa, we arrived early. I arrived early. Vince, how are you?
I'm fine. How about you?
Good.
Hi guys.
Yes, yo. Kita na ka tong vlog itong ni Agi. Pasa. Katapos lang natin maligo. My time is 8 o'clock in the evening. I will sleep early. Kasi actually bukas hindi naman ako papasok na maaga. Kasi first day of training natin para sa ating PST or ang ating product specific training. And it will be at 10 in the evening up until 7 a.m. no? So 7 in the morning mga katropa. So 10 to 7 tayo bukas. Pero gusto ko lang mag-beauty rest na. Gusto ko nang matulog na muna mga katropa para mahaba-haba rin yung tulog natin at saka our brain will work well tomorrow since it's our first day of our PST training. So serious din naman yung ating language training, but this time it becomes more serious kasi para sa product na natin ito mga katropa. Kaya tuloy-tuloy lang tayo sa ating adhikain, of course, to continue working at sana ay makapasa tayo ulit para sa ating product specific training at saka tuloy-tuloy ng ating call center life mga katropa para matapos din natin ang ating mga responsibilities sa buhay. So mga katropa, see you tomorrow.
The next day.
Morning mga katropa, luto kami ni ate ng lauoy. Tapos may tuyo mga katropa. Lauoy ang tawag dito sa amin. Sa luyot ito ate no. Tapos ito papaya. Tsaka itlog mga katropa. Tapos ate, paano malaman pag ilalagay na yung ano? Hindi, itong garlic.
Yan na, pwede na.
Pwede na?
Sige. Tapos pag medyo mag-brownish na butang na yung mga kamatis.
So ito ang mag-brown. Ang garlic. Thank you ate for teaching me. Saka pa pala ilagay yung egg.
Pwede na may ilagay ang ano ka ng tomato.
Tomato. Tomato water. Kaya niyang gabi pa man itong mga duty no. So maon na lang dito siguro. Tapos ate, paano ko malaman?
Pag malata na ang kamatis.
Okay. Kain. Thank you ate. Nagbigay si ate ng ulam mga katropa. So thank you so much ate. Maraming salamat. At saka ito ang ating egg at saka tuyo mga katropa. Ito na yun, lahat na to. One meal for the whole day mga katropa. Kain tayo.
3 hours later.
I can feel your heart racing, 'cause everybody knows, yeah, everybody knows. And I can feel your body shaking every single touch. That's just how it goes.
Vince, how are you, man?
I'm fine. How about you?
Good.
Hi guys.
Yes, yo. Kita na ka tong vlog itong ni Agi. Kipasa. Punta muna kami 7-Eleven, mga tropa. May bibilin lang ako na pwedeng mainom, baka magko-coffee. Ito, tubig. Tubig. Magkaiba kami ng account, mga tropa. Alam niyo na kung ano yung account natin. Sorry, bawal na disclose. Ito sa healthcare.
BA.
Ha?
BA.
Alam mo, ganda ng office na dito. Hiring actually.
Ngayon naman pa.
Tropa, bumili lang ako ng kape. Kape. Si Vince naman tubig. Ako, may tubig naman na ako. So, pasok namin mga katropa ni Vince Bintoy. Sige, go. Ako rapod. Washroom muna kayo mga katropa. Update later. Thanks. Pantry. Nandiyan na sila mga katropa. Sila ate, sila Mads nandiyan na oh. Hi Mads.
Na,
ate.
hi.
Ayog tanggalin mo. Tambol.
Ayun.
O sa to, mas barato ba yung ang laking delivery dito sa 7-Eleven 28?
Lalaki ito sa vlog ba? Ala, gibuhating sa amin ang...
Oh? Bako kan babae oh? Kasi magtanaw ko ni Jen. Ano ko sabi, paino ko palimig na ako. Sagot ka, Jen? Oh!
Ako po pala tayo, itong lagom lang ko.
Mga tropa, tingnan nyo si Vince doon sa malayo, oh. Bro!
King of the week at Summit Talks, you'll hear them speak. It's only Monday.
Okay lang ka, Dea? Yan, mga tropa, malayo si Vince kasi andito naman tayo sa kabila, nagbo-bonding. Ladies and gentlemen, announcing the arrival of Alma Concepcion. How's your? So, Bunso R has arrived. Kompleto na. Kulang na lang. Hey guys.
Ganahan ko.
Wala ko yung tulog.
Bagay kasi mga nakakalar mga...
Naglali.
Oo, ako po. Ako po nakatulog.
Kaya TJ tuloy. Kaya TJ tuloy. Power na. Like morning, napa ko sa hospital. Attend ko.
A few moments later.
Mga katropa, pasok na tayo. Yes, yes, yes. It's time for us to go. Thank you, Bunso R.
Hi guys.
Yay.
Welcome to my vlog.
For those folks who still not onboarded, especially for Mutia, and then for Tanjali, okay? So, no worries. I'll make sure to get you onboarded this week and help you out to at least try to receive a new email, then get onboarded. And for Jenny, okay, Jenny, we're going to work on with your Connect. Okay, password. Alright, so please do not overthink, guys. Since today is day 1, no pressure. Just sit, chill, and relax. I want you to at least, because in this week, we will be more focusing on the Google tools. And I'll make sure that you guys will be able to at least have an idea what it helps and then what's the purpose of it. But for now, we can go ahead and have a meet and greet.
So, for the nesting, hopefully we can learn a lot and we can apply it on an actual call for every one of us. And lastly, my pet peeve is a person who is not consistent and liar. That's it. Thank you.
Okay, so thank you so much, John. John is thank you for the information. Right, so there's a lot of things that you'll be able to grasp here in PST, and I'll make sure to provide it to you as long as you guys will not be able to, like, you know, information overload. Right, especially you guys are in graveyard shift, and there will be time just to set your proper expectations, especially for second week and third week. There will be times that you'll get, you know, bombarded with information specifically on the LOP, but no worries. I'll try to sum it up, provide the most important details that's very helpful during nesting. Okay. All right, thank you, John. So next to John, I want to hear from...
Hi, good morning, everyone. We've known each other for quite some time. My name is Bristol Diaz Tanjali. I prefer to be addressed with Tom or Gio, either of which will be just fine. These are my nicknames, and these actually are the pseudonyms that was addressed to me by some of my friends back in our city. I'm not originally here, from here in Davao City. I'm from Coronado City. That's 5-hour drive from here, going to our place. Expectations? None so far. Only that to have a harmonious relationship between me, of course, my colleagues, and to our very own trainer. Yeah, and pet peeve? Arrogance.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
I like that.
Alright, so thank you so much, Gio. So now, I really like because the way you at least try to express yourself, guys, you're so transparent. And I like that because you'll be able to express yourself and share your knowledge and ideas. Okay, and I want you to be comfortable during training. I want you to enjoy the PST training as well as the nesting.
3 hours later.
Mga tropa, lunchtime. Lunchtime pero ang oras namin ngayon alas 2 na. 2 in the morning. So it's a wee time. Then again, that's how it is. Lunchtime. I'm with Kai. Hey. And Kuya. That's Kuya Ted. Kain tayo mga katropa. Kain ka. Sorry for the noise na baka maka-copyright tayo. Nasa ano tayo? Nasa pantry. I'll let you see.
Later.
With Kai. And Darian Mutya, which is Leia. And Rohan Dian Yemenyo, which is Rohan. And Christine Sorswalo, which is Kari. Then Antero Sespon, which is Antep, right? Then Rustum Tanjili, which is Gio. So John, and the last one but not the least, John. Okay.
Later.
Alright, so mga katropa, good morning po sa inyong lahat. Time check tayo. It's now 7:27 in the morning. Kakatapos lang din ang aming PST training or ang ating product-specific training, mga katropa. So, done with the first day. Ngayong araw na to ay nandito kami sa labas ng Security Bank. Located pa rin dito sa Lorica Grounds, mga katropa. Kasi nga, today, nakaschedule tayo para mag-release ng ating ATM cards o yung ating mga debit cards. Pero wala pang sweldo na papasok, no? Bale, yung card lang available. So, kasama ko ngayon si Mads, ayun o. Mads, are you?
Hello.
Yes. So, anong gagawin? Bakit kami nandito? Wala pa naman kaming sweldo. As early as now, kailangan na namin talaga matapos itong mga katropa. Kailangan namin makuha ang aming ATM cards kasi aside from the fact na ngayon siya nakaschedule na kailangan maklaim namin, kailangan din natin mga katropa na talagang pumila na at kukunin na yung ating ATM card kasi nga punong-puno na kami ng information on our first day of PST or ang ating product-specific training. So, baka hindi kami magkaroon ng pagkakataon or oras para maasikaso namin ito kung ipagpapabukas pa namin kasi tomorrow will be another busy night for us, no? Kaya ngayon, we're here and we're waiting for the bank to open. Actually, it's open naman na. Kaso nga lang, yung mga tellers and yung mga people working from the bank is still not around. Ang open lang dito na area is ang ATM machine para dun sa mga nakapag-avail na ng kanilang ATM cards, mga katropa, no? So, this is the place wherein they are going to do withdrawals and stuff like that. Pero sa amin naman, since releasing ng aming debit card ngayon, kaya kailangan nandito kami. After ng training, dito na kami sa labas kasi nasa labas lang siya ng building ng Alorica before we head ourselves home. Ganon. So, kailangan maasikaso na natin to. So, update na lang tayo later, mga katropa. Maraming salamat. Goodbye, Mads! Bye! See ya! So, mga katropa, nasa labas tayo ng commercial buildings. We have Galerio. I'm not familiar kung ano yan, pero I guess it's also an office. We have environmental consultancy, and we have the security bank. We're in dito kami ngayon. See? Nag-aantay kami. And beside security bank is Metro Bank. And that's Orica. Actually, up until here. Tignan nyo. Glass yan. Ayun o. Yun. It's a glass building. Si Mads andyan o. So, nasa IT Park tayo. At across na mga katropa dito sa side na to or sa landscape na to is ang Starbucks. Pero hindi pa ako nakakapunta dyan. I mean, dito ha. Dito na Starbucks. Sa ibang Starbucks, syempre, nakatry na tayo. Dito hindi pa. Kasi medyo hindi pa applicable mga katropa. I'd rather drink 2-in-1 coffee instead of drinking Starbucks. It will cost me much than I am capable of spending. So mga katropa, andito si Jess. Ayan. At syempre, ang pagkagwapa, Kayla.
Got my eye bags, guys.
It's big na.
Literal na pizza to daw.
Yes. Salamin tayo kasi mainit. Medyo nahihirapan na tayo mga katropa. Pero medyo pa lang. Medyo. Nahihirapan ka rin.
Socks lang.
Socks lang.
Daw to. Huwag ba?
Ako hirap. Kaya pa rin. Kaya pa mga katropa. Abot pa tayo ng mga 3 years.
Kaya ba ni mo?
2 hours later.
So mga katropa, pauwi na tayo. Yung bangko, in-inform kami na by Wednesday pa daw magre-release. Yun nga pinagtataka namin kung bakit merong email kami na natanggap na available na daw today, which is hindi pa daw pala. So wala, nag-waste kami ng time namin waiting. I could have gone home, pero okay lang mga tropa. Sige lang, uwi na tayo. Wala tayong magagawa. Ganun yung rule nila eh. Doon pa tayo sasakay mga katropa sa tawid. Nung oras na to, 8:40 na mga katropa. So antay muna tayo bago tayo tumawid mga katropa, para hindi tayo ma-jaywalking. So nakasituate na tayo dito sa gilid mga katropa. Para mamaya mabilis na tayo makakababa. Mainit na ang sikat ng araw mga katropa. Going to 9 AM na. Ay nako, nag-antay pa kami doon sa security bank. Wednesday pa daw. Hindi, sige. Uwi na tayo. Gutom na ako pero hindi pa ako makakain mga katropa kasi nga tinitipid natin yung pagkain natin. So baka later na lang bago tayo umalis para sa duty. Kagabi, kumain ako mga katropa. Now, matutulog na lang tayo. Tsaka pagod na rin ako eh.
A few moments later.
ng gabi laging inabangan. Liwanag ng buwan, ngayon ay nasaan ang kalayaang mag-isip? Mag-isip ng kung ano. Di tungkol sa'yo, di tungkol sa'yo. Ako'y nangako sa sa'yo.